Bonita's kitchen, Bonita's kitchen, to yours.
We're going to be using about 2 cups of water, hot water. We're going to be using about a cup of frozen rhubarbs or fresh. I got here a bottle of wild plums that I picked last year on Pools Cove, and I got that video on there for wild plum jelly. You could use strawberries, you can use raspberries, you can use whatever infusion you want to make this delicious drink. And we got about a half a cup of white sugar. So let's pour it all into our dipper, our saucepan. So let's pour our water on in there. And like I said, depending on how much you want to make of this, you can use double of everything. If you want to make a big pitcher full of this delicious simple syrup is what it's going to be. And I'm going to take my lid off and just pour these on in there, because I want to make an infusion of the wild plums and the rhubarb. But like I said, you use what you got available. Now I'm going to let this boil and start to break down. So after, when you see that your fruit that you got in there, let it be your rhubarb or whatever berry you want to use, is starting to boil, what we're going to do now is strain it through our sieve and then put it into a bowl. So you're just going to take it like this and drain it into a bowl. Of course, I'm going to have it going everywhere, but I just want to show you this quickly to make a nice summer drink. And then you're going to let it all drain through. You see all the colors, you know, the nice rhubarb, and right now it's the wild plums that we got there. And once that's sifted through, I'll tell you what's next. Pretty much that's all you need to do to make your simple syrup. Now if you want a little sweeter, you can add in more sugar when you're boiling it like this. Instead of a half a cup, put in a cup. Doesn't matter. Then when you get yourself some mason jars like this and you fill them. These are good in the mason jars in your fridge up to a week. Or if you just want to make it to use it after it's cool, I'll show you how you would mix it together. So pretty much that's how you make your simple syrup. So now I'm going to show you how to make that nice summer drink. So get yourself a nice pitcher, probably get your favorite one. This is the simple syrup that I made earlier in the week, and I'm just going to see, it's nice and sealed. Take the full amount. This is about a half a cup that's in this little mason jar. Pour it into your pitcher with some ice and pour in about 2 cups or so of cold water, and then mix that around. Of course, I'm going to mix it around with a piece of rhubarb, which that's going to look nice. And now let's mix ourselves a drink. So if you like your summer drink frizzy with some soda water, you could use a ginger ale, you could use a cocktail mixture, or you can make yourself an alcohol cocktail. But right now we're just going to do a summer drink that you can share with your family. So I'm going to pour in some with the water and some with the soda water, and we're just going to pour it on in, because I like that little bubble frizz. And I'm going to toss in some frozen rhubarb into mine and then top it with my lid. Now this lid is meant to take it out in my garden, and that's what I want to do with it. So right now, this is your summer drink. We're going to have it with our muffins.
Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen.
Bonita here from Bonita's Kitchen. If you're visiting Newfoundland and Labrador, don't forget to check out beautiful St. John's and its surrounding communities, and join us again on Bonita's Kitchen.